And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 2. Let me show you how you can import media. So I've got my simple Explorer here with an MP4, some images, so JPEGs, PNGs. We can import that into CapCut, just start a new project. So create project. Then by default you should be under media. If you're not, left click on it in the top menu row. We are under import, media, and here's a plus sign. If you left click on it, it's going to open your Explorer and you can select your files. Just double click on them, but the easiest way is to simply have your Explorer right here and then left click drag your files into this import box. You can obviously do that with many files at once. Let me also import an image here, maybe the CapCut logo. That would be a PNG, and that also works with a JPEG. If you left click now on these, they will be shown in the preview window, but they will not be active in the timeline below. To have it active, just click on the plus sign here. When you hover over these icons in your media import menu, this plus sign will appear, left click on it, and then it will be added to your timeline. You can add multiple, stack them. We're going to go over that in the next video. But you may be wondering, what about audio files? That simply works the same way. Just open your Explorer, drag and drop it here into the media import. If you hover over it, you will see the plus sign, click on it, and this will be automatically added to an audio track in your timeline, which is usually below your video tracks. And this is how you can import media in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.